Hey, Captain Geoff Page here, and we're working with a new product today in the SeaSucker Marine line of products. This is the Switch Tackle Station. Now, I've already attached my leader to my braid, which I have 15, 20, 25, and 30. All I do is I strip off just what length of leader I need, grab my scissors out of the station, clip, boom. Now I've got my 20-pound leader, and I'm gonna come over here to my jig head area, and I'm gonna get a heavy jig head. I'm fishing sandy bottom, so I'm gonna use a 3/8 jig head, and I'm gonna attach it real fast here. I'm gonna have to go back to the tackle station. Being an old man, I gotta have my readers. Now I can tie a knot quick. I find that if I don't use the readers, it takes me 30 seconds longer to tie a knot that I can tie back quick. Back to the tackle station, scissors. Everything has its place. Scissors, pliers, fillet knife, regular hooks. I've got pompano jigs in my little foam insert that I can hang. I got silver spoon, weedless, of course. And then I've got weedless hooks that I can apply to my soft plastics along with my jig head. I'm choosing a heavy jig head today because most of the bottom I'm fishing out here is clean sand, so I'm not gonna be dragging it in the grass a lot. If I'm fishing for finicky redfish or maybe flounder or fish like speckled trout that aren't gonna cut my leader, I'll go as light as 15. Snook and bigger redfish, mackerel, bluefish, I like to use 20, 25, even 30. And like I said, it's really nice because I've got just what I need. I clip my leader and I'm done. Pretty much everything I'm using for today is on this Switch Tackle Station. And it's real simple and can be moved all around the boat because why? It's a SeaSucker product.